Hello guys, and today I just want to show you some quick technique of how to reduce background noise in an audio or a video. So yesterday I recorded an audio was a little bit unclear, and it had some background noise, fans running in the background, people talking, things falling over. And it's the one that I'm going to clear today as an example. So I just want you to pay attention to this very quick tutorial. I'm using Audacity. People who are familiar with Audacity is just a software. It's an open source software that is used to record or edit sounds or audios. And so we are going to use this Audacity to clear this audio that I had recorded. So you realize that the audio has a lot of background noise, things falling over in the background. I think you can try to listen a little bit. Let me play it again.
This video is not perfect.
So first of all, you hear some sort of fans running in the background, then some people talking in the background, and also some things falling over in the background. So this is the audio that we're going to edit. Now let me come back to my Audacity. For those who don't know how to download Audacity, I will leave the link in the description. Please follow the link in the description, and in that video I will be teaching you how to download, install, and I walk through the whole thing, or an overview of Audacity, getting introduced to Audacity. And after that tutorial, you come back here and let us get started. This is Audacity. It's now open, and most importantly, we just want to go ahead and start off with editing our audio. First of all, go to the File tab. Then next, import in the dialog box that appears. Hover over import because you're trying to import that audio into our Audacity. Now move to audio because it's an audio. Import an audio. Click on audio. It will open, the file explorer. You will have to explore, your computer drives, and you choose where your voice is, your audio is located. Then you import it in. Now on importing, you can just double click it to automatically get imported into the Audacity, or you click on it, then you click open. It's still the same thing to be imported into this. Now we have our audio into Audacity finally. Okay, now like we did last time, when you try to play it, you can feel some background noise, people talking in the background. Okay, so now let's try to zoom it out, and we see these parts where the audios are not clear. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select.
Today I'm going to show you how to.
We are going to be profiling these regions where there is no actual voice of the main character in the audio. So we just want these intervals where there is just the background noise playing, and we profile it. Now we are going to do that by first of all selecting. Click on select, so it gives you an allowance to select a certain interval or region in the audio, and that you want to profile. So as you're selecting, you just press, point at where you want to start from, then you drag to the point. Make sure you don't include areas or points where you have the actual voice talking. You just want to profile areas where there is only background noise. Now after selecting the area where we have only background noise, go to the Effect tab, and then in the dialog box that drops down, look for noise reduction around here. So click on your noise reduction, and in this dialog box that appears, we have a lot of things, but make sure not to edit these figures. Just leave them the way they are. All you have to do is to say get noise profile. Just click on get noise profile. So what Audacity is going to do is going to profile that part, and by profiling is that it's going to take the profile of that part and it will save it as a background noise. So next, what we are going to do, we are going to reduce noise of the same character of this interval that we've just selected in the whole audio. Now after that, then I'll go back to select. This time we want to select the whole audio. Once you click on select, the whole audio will be selected, but once you're not sure whether it has been selected, you can press Ctrl A to make sure that the whole video is selected, like Ctrl All. Then go back to the effect and then come back to the noise reduction. We're just doing the same procedure. Now in this case, you're going to say OK instead of clicking get noise reduction. We've already gotten the noise profile, so now you say OK, and you're telling it to reduce noise of the same profile that we picked of the other interval in the whole audio. And once you click on OK, it will apply your changes, and you realize that this part where we had some noise, it's now clearing off, becoming sort of a straight line and becoming more clear. And now that it has tried to clear, let's try to play and we see.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your
there's some little bit of background noise, but at least it has tried to clear it. Okay,
background noise in a video or an audio. So first of all,
we can still go ahead and do the same thing to make sure that it's so clear. Go back to your select then another region where you're suspecting to be having some background noise. Then go back to effect, noise reduction, then get profile again. Then now select the whole audio, then come back to effect, then go back noise reduction, and then click OK. So Audacity will still do the same thing, trying to make it more clear. Try to plant it.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your background noise in a video or an audio. So first of all,
so now you realize that we're no longer having those background sort of fans moving making some funny noise. So the only voice that we are now remaining with is the some sort of people talking in the background. We can also remove that.
This video is not perfect.
Just have to time it around. And then profile it. Effect. Go back to the same procedure. Get noise profile. Then back to selecting the whole audio. Back to effect. Noise reduction. And finally, OK. So it's now reducing the noise.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your
So the part we are most interested in, I think, is this, where we have some sound in the background, some sort of, a child talking in the background. And once you select it, come back to effect, noise reduction, then get the profile of that, then select again the whole audio, come back to effect, then noise reduction again, and say OK. So Audacity will again reduce the profile according to what you've selected. Play again.
Today I'm going to show you how to reduce your background noise in a video or an audio.
Okay, so finally we've successfully reduced all the background noise that was in that audio, and all we have to do is to go back on file, and then this time you say instead of importing, we're going to export, because now it's done. We just want to export it out of Audacity and save it somewhere. But you can save it as a WAV or GIGI. There are very many formats that you can export, but I would this time going to use MP3. I'm just going to export an MP3, and we shall name it as edited copy. Okay, so we save, and then we go back to our click OK to make sure that Audacity exports your audio. So go back to your File Explorer and look for your audio again and see whether it has really worked perfect. Here is our edited copy. Try to listen.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to.
Okay, so I think you can see finally we have a clear audio that has no background interferences like the one before.
The background noise in
very clean, no background interferences. Try to listen.
So first of all,
fine-tuned.
This video is not perfect.
Okay, so if you go back here and try to play the one that was previous one.
Okay,
you hear that?
I'm going to show you how.
A lot of noise, a lot of everything in the background. So if you try to compare it with this,
okay,
so this one is clear. There is no fans moving around, a lot of background, whatever. So finally and successfully we've reduced the background noise in this audio, making a new audio that is a little bit is actually clear and perfect here. So thanks for watching, guys. This was just a quick tutorial about reducing background noise and in Audacity, of course. And next time I think for people who want to know more about Audacity, follow the link in the description and then you go ahead and watch that tutorial. Now please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this to be coming up all the time, and I think we shall call it goodbye.